how to change Microsoft Teams ringtone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft Teams ringtone. Customizing your ringtone is a simple way to make your work environment more personal and comfortable, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, click on Sign in and log in with your account credentials. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots. That's the More Options button. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize how Teams works for you. Inside Settings, go to Notifications and Activity. Here, you'll see all the options for controlling alerts and sounds. Now, find the section labeled Default Ringtone. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available ringtones. Take a moment to preview the sounds and choose the one you like best, whether it's something calm, sharp, or attention-grabbing. Once you've made your choice, your new ringtone will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Microsoft Teams ringtone. If you ever want to switch it again, just come back to the same settings and pick a new sound. That's all for the video.